looking for a creative way to brand your apparel, what better way is through a neck label? And as you know, it can be challenging because of that area. So Stahls Hottronics has come out with a solution. It's called the Tag-Along Platen. So I have it loaded on our heat press, and I want to show you how simple it is to use. As we're loading our t-shirt onto the Tag-Along Platen, one of the features that it offers, it already has my t-shirt fully centered. So I don't have to worry if it's centered or not if I'm putting other graphics on the front. So the feature we're going to be focused on is the designated area for when I print my label. So what we need to do at the bottom here, we're going to tuck it underneath and bring it over like so. And also, this label is a rip away. So all I need to do is tear that off and make room for my own branded label. So the first thing we need to do is preheat our t-shirt. It will release moisture and wrinkles as well. And the product that I chose is Goof Proof from Transfer Express. It's 365 degrees for 5-second application at a medium pressure. Goof Proof is a hot peel, so we are going to peel that immediately. And so for my next garment, we're using another t-shirt. Now, to be more creative I would like to use a left chest logo along with a label. So this gives you the opportunity to press at the same time and also decrease your productivity time if you want to brand your t-shirt and put a left chest logo at the same time. So same thing, tuck it under and bring it over. My shirt is already centered and ready to go. We're going to go ahead and rip the label off. And we're going to pre-press our garment first, release moisture and wrinkles. So I'm going to go ahead and place my left chest logo. Again, we are using Goof Proof from Transfer Express. Okay, 365 degrees for 5 seconds at a medium pressure. And again, hot peel. So we are going to peel that immediately. By using the Tag-Along Platen, I was able to spend less time at the heat press because I was able to decorate my front graphic and my neck label at the same time. If you like what you see here, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel and click the links below for more information on the products that I used.